I'm joined here by Kimberly Dumas from DocuSketch. Kimberly, welcome to New York.
Oh, thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be here.
Is it your first time here in New York?
It is not.
Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles, California. Wow, long trot. All right, so how about this? Talk to us a little bit about your platform and what you intend to do here.
Sure. So we've been in business for 8 years. We do 360-degree claims documentation specifically for residential and commercial properties, all using 360-degree cameras connected into a Bluetooth connection, and essentially do more than 10% of the entire industry for U.S. and Canada's estimates, and capture properties in order to reduce cycle times and help decision making for carriers and coverage decisions, and ultimately get property homeowners and policyholders squared away faster.
So is it the adjuster that's operating it, or do you send us to the homeowner or to the claimant? How does that work?
Yeah, so specifically all towards the adjusting market and or restoration contractors, essentially first on site and working within the carrier and their ecosystem.
Got it. And so once those pictures are taken by the Insta360, is there a processing in the background that occurs? And talk to me a little bit of how that works.
Yep, all cloud-based. But essentially it's near instant. You're looking at maybe like a 30-second review time from the time you upload the entire thing in there, and then you can order the sketch right after it, so you can get real-time property measurement data for full ESX integration into Xactimate and or CoreLogic, or now Totality. Very short period of time, both for residential and commercial.
Got it. So AI has obviously been on everybody's mind over the past 2 years. How does AI work into your platform, if at all?
So we do some AI, obviously, for property measurements, and we've got a scoping tool that comes behind it. But we all are also very human dependent, because this is a very messy industry and it's not perfect. And humans are still a very much strong component of this.
That's absolutely right. Human in the loop is going to be necessary for a good long while.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, Kimberly, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.